Hi everyone. So today let's take a look at the IUPAC nomenclature for the aldehyde and also the ketones. So first let's start with the first question where we can see that it has 3 carbon. So we always have to know this will be a aldehyde because of the functional group, right? It has carbon attached to the hydrogen and double bond O. So this will be the first carbon, this will be the second carbon, and this will be the third carbon. So overall, we have 3 carbons. When we have 3 carbons, we will take this as propanol. We put null as suffix because of this functional group. So this is propanol, right? Done. Next, if you take a look, we always have to observe one thing. First, the first carbon, because the aldehyde functional group always attached to the first carbon. So this. Now, this will be the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So we have 4 carbons. Okay, what is the family name? And it is butanal. Butanal. Yes, exactly. This structural formula may look a little bit complicated, but it's very simple that this will be the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and the fifth carbon. So we have 5 carbon, right? So when we have 5 carbon, and this will be the functional group for the aldehyde, and this will be the carbon. Carbon, double bond O with H. So this is aldehyde. So it's very simple. It is pentanal. Since we have 5 carbon, right? Okay. Next, we do the same exact thing. We highlight this, right? To know this is a aldehyde. It's exact similar thing to this. It's but in a more structural way. So this carbon will be the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and the fifth carbon, right? So we have 5 carbon. So when we have 5 carbon, it is known to be pentanal because of the aldehyde. But don't forget, we have a side chain that is attached to our second carbon. So we will do this 2 chloro 2 chloro pentanal, right? This is the answer. 2 chloro pent because of 5 carbon, and null because of the functional group. Now, this might seem a little complicated as well. First one will be the first carbon, because we know that the aldehyde functional group always start with the first carbon. So we assume this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, and fourth carbon. Okay, we have 4 carbons, so this is butanol, butanol, and we have a methyl group in the third carbon, so it's 3-methyl butanol. Okay, simple.